Can you really make $986 a day online without spending a dime? In just the last 3 days, I made over $2,358 using a simple AI strategy. No ads, no selling my own products. Most people don't know about this method, but today, I'm breaking it down step by step for you. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to start making money online for free. 1. The power of the pet industry. The pet industry is growing faster than ever. Experts say it will reach $380 billion by 2025 and could even hit $500 billion by 2030. This means millions of people are spending money on their pets every single day. From food and toys to grooming and healthcare, pet owners are always looking for the best products to keep their furry friends happy and healthy. Why is this important for you? More demand means more ways to make money. When people are already buying products, you don't have to convince them to spend. Instead, you just need to help them find the right products. And that's where you can make money. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or invest in a business. By using a simple affiliate marketing method, you can earn money by recommending pet products that people are already searching for. This strategy is completely free to start, and with the help of AI tools, you can automate the entire process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to take advantage of this growing industry and start making money online without any experience or upfront cost. 2. Finding the right products. Finding the right product is the most important step in making money online. You don't want to waste time on things people aren't interested in. That's why we use Google Trends to see what people are actually searching for. Go to trends.google.com and type in pets. You'll see that 450,000 people search for this word every month, but that's just the start. If you type dog, the number jumps to 1.5 million searches. Cat is even bigger, with 3.3 million searches every single month. This shows a huge demand for pet-related products. But here's the trick. You don't want just general searches. Instead, you need buying keywords, meaning people searching for something specific to purchase. When we look at dog toys, we find 60,500 searches per month. Even better, cat toys has 110,000 searches. This tells us that pet owners are actively looking to buy these products. So, instead of guessing, we now have real data showing us which products have the highest demand. This makes it much easier to sell and earn commissions. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to find and promote these products for free. 3. Choosing the best-selling pet products. Now that we know pet products are in high demand, it's time to find the best-selling items to promote. The easiest way to do this is by going to Amazon.com and searching for dog toys or cat toys. Since Amazon is the biggest online store in the world, we can trust that the top-selling products here are the ones people are actually buying. One great example is the Wishbone Chew toy for dogs. This product sells 20,000 times every month, has a 4.5-star rating, and over 100,000 reviews. Why is it so popular? Because dogs chew through toys quickly, so owners keep buying more. This means repeat sales for us. For cat lovers, the interactive cat toy ball is another winner. It also sells 20,000 times per month, has a 4.5-star rating, and 41,000 plus reviews. Cats love playing with moving objects, making this product another great choice for steady sales. The secret to making money with affiliate marketing is choosing products that people buy repeatedly. These types of products never go out of demand, which means consistent commissions for you. In the next step, I'll show you how to start earning from them for free. 4. Joining Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. Now that we have the best-selling pet products, it's time to start making money from them. The easiest way to do this is by joining the Amazon Associates program. This allows you to earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your link. To get started, go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and sign up for free. It only takes a few minutes. Once your account is approved, you can search for any pet product on Amazon and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, which can go up to 10% depending on the product. And the best part? Even if they buy something else on Amazon within 24 hours, you still get paid. This method requires zero investment, no need to buy products, store inventory, or handle shipping. All you do is share your links in the right places. In the next step, I'll show you how to use AI tools to create content that gets people to click your links, so you can start earning passive income today. 5. Creating SEO optimized content with AI. Now that you have your Amazon affiliate links, the next step is getting people to click on them and buy. The best way to do this is by creating SEO optimized blog posts that show up on Google searches. But writing blogs manually takes time. That's where AI tools come in. Go to SEO Writing AI, a tool that helps you create blog posts in minutes. Here's how it works. Enter the product details. Just copy and paste from Amazon. Click Generate and let AI create a high-ranking blog post that explains why pet owners should buy the product. Insert your Amazon affiliate links inside the blog so readers can click and buy directly. The best part? SEO Writing AI also creates social media posts for platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. This means you can share your content everywhere without extra work. With one blog post, you can get free traffic from Google forever, leading to consistent sales. In the next step, I'll show you where to post your blogs for maximum views and commissions. 6. Publishing blog posts for free traffic. Once your AI-generated blog post is ready, the next step is to publish it where millions of people can see it for free. The best platform for this is Medium.com. Medium is a high-ranking website on Google, meaning your blog can get traffic without needing a website of your own. To start, go to Medium.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Write and copy-paste your AI-generated blog post. Make sure to add images to make it look more engaging. Most importantly, insert your Amazon affiliate links in the right places so people can click and buy the product. When you publish your blog, it will start showing up in Google searches, bringing in free traffic. Whenever someone reads your blog and clicks on your link, you earn a commission without spending money on ads. The more blog posts you create, the more traffic you can get. And since Medium is a trusted website, your posts can rank faster than if you had your own blog. In the next step, I'll show you how to turn these blog posts into videos for even more views and sales. 7. Repurposing content for social media and video. Now that your blog post is live and getting free traffic, let's turn it into a video for even more views and sales. Short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts can reach millions of people. And the best part? You don't have to record anything yourself. Go to InVideo AI, a tool that automatically converts blog posts into videos. Just paste your blog content, and the AI will create a professional-looking video with visuals, text, and voiceover. You can also customize it by adding pet-related clips, animations, and background music to make it more engaging. Once your video is ready, upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms push short videos to a huge audience, meaning more people will see your content and click your links. Don't forget to add your affiliate link in the video description and comments so viewers can buy the product instantly. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This simple strategy helps you get free traffic from blogs and videos at the same time, increasing your earnings fast. In the next step, I'll show you how to scale this method to make even more money. 8. Scaling to 986 plus per day. Now that you know how to create blog posts and videos for free traffic, the next step is scaling up to make even more money. The goal is to reach 95,000 views per day across different platforms. More views mean more people clicking your affiliate links, leading to higher earnings. To do this, follow this daily posting strategy. Medium blogs, post 20 articles per day to rank on Google. Pinterest pins, share 10 images per day linking back to your blog. TikTok and Reels, upload 5 short videos per day to get massive reach. Instead of writing everything yourself, use SEO Writing AI to generate 100 plus articles at once. This saves you time and helps you post more content faster. The more content you put out, the more chances you have to make sales. At first, you might not hit $986 per day, but as your blogs and videos get more views, your income will keep growing. Stay consistent, keep posting, and soon you'll have a passive income machine running on autopilot. Now that you know the full strategy, it's time to take action and start earning online today. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more free money-making strategies. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a new method to earn online.